Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI tutorials. I started another video continuing to the Power BI current selection previous video. So in the previous video we have displayed the current user selection across all the slices in a as a summarized form in the other visual in this report. So if we think about the current selection box here, so when user selected everything, I mean to say here I have 2005, 2006, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as I display, as I have selected everything here, the current selection here, all the years, the whole all the years are being displayed. So when we have a scenario like this, rather than listing out all the years individually, we can display all in the quarter as well, in the month as well, in the country as well. So when user selected everything, rather than listing all the countries, all the months individually, we'll go for just displaying all message. Okay, we'll go for displaying all message. So that's what we are going to do. That's what we are going to demonstrate as part of this video. Okay, so to do the same, what we have to how we need to change the DAX expression is, so here whatever user is selected is equal to whatever we have in the actual table is equal whatever we have in the table is equal to whatever user has selected. Then we should display all message, otherwise the the existing DAX expression for listing out only the items that only the values that user has selected. Okay, so we have few functions in the DAX. So to for getting the count of the total, all the values in a table, we'll go for using calculate of distinct count of that year by considering all the values, okay, equal to values of calendar year function. So if both are equal, then we'll see then we'll display all, otherwise we'll just display the selected values. For that I have the DAX available DAX expression. Let me take the whole expression here and I'll paste here. So this is the existing expression we have as part of the part 1 video. Now I just replaced the new DAX expression with the old one. So if I'm checking the condition here, if the total count, the count of calendar, the count of years we have in the table is equal to the values that user has selected, then all, otherwise you just display only the values that user has selected by concatenating each value. Okay, the same thing is applicable to the quarter, the same thing is applicable to the month, and the same thing is applicable to country as well. Okay, when I say okay, it is going to be evaluated. You see the current selection box value is going to be changed. Now you see current selection, so it is saying year all, quarter all, month all, country all. When I go for selecting only Australia and Canada, now you see year is all, quarter is all, month is all, country is only Canada and Australia. Now I am going for only selecting November and December. Now you see month is only November and December. When I am deselecting November and December again, now you see month has changed to all. Okay, so here in the quarter also the same thing. Year also I just selected everything. When I go for removing 2005, you see the remaining values has been listed here. Okay, so this is how, rather than displaying all the values when the user selected, rather than displaying all the values, we'll just display only all message rather than displaying everything. Okay, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you think that this video helpful to you, for more videos please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.